Could you please introduce yourself and the company Brompton?
Thank you. Well, my name is Robert Jones and I'm a manufacturing engineer at Brompton Bicycle. Brompton Bicycle is a company based in London and we make a range of folding bikes. In Sheffield, we make the T-Line, which is a fully titanium model.
What was your need when you reached out to SIC Marking?
Well, we used to have a dot peening engraving process here in Sheffield when we were doing a much lower volume of bikes, and it soon became clear that this machine was very, very loud and had to be replaced very, very quickly. But also, as the factory expanded, we didn't have the capacity anymore for that marking process. So we needed to get a machine in that could deliver a much higher volume, a lot more efficiently, and most importantly, was a lot quieter.
Okay. Why did you choose SIC Marking?
Well, what drew me to SIC Marking in the first instance was the range of machines you had on offer. You had scribe machines, dot peening machines, and laser engraving machines. But also it was your willingness to let me install a relatively simple laser machine as a £500,000 production line. You really did jump through every hoop that I asked you to, facilitated the factory testing, the site acceptance testing, and predominantly helped me grow a lot as an engineer, which I was very, very thankful for.
So you did experience some issues with the software initially. How did we support you in that?
Well, I don't think I've ever heard of a project that's gone through a flawless launch before, and this project was the same. At launch, we did have some software bugs, but SIC Marking was able to provide both on-site and remote connection support. And eventually, over the 3 months that we were process monitoring, we were able to resolve those issues through rewriting of the scripts and things like that. At project close in September, we have since only had one minor software issue, which is because we didn't code the date in for the new year.
You've been using the L-Box now for several months. What are your current feelings about it?
Well, we closed the project back in September, and since then I've not had to give any production support really to the machine. I've been able to install the machine and the process and fully walk away from it, which has allowed me to focus on new projects and other things, which I think in itself speak volumes. It's a reliable and efficient machine, and I think everybody on site is very, very happy with it.
How many pieces or how many markings are you doing each week on this machine?
We mark 4 frames, so we make 4 different frames on this site, and we have a serial number for each one of those frames. Currently we're doing about 900 pieces through this machine per week, which is far below the capacity of what it can do. This machine and the process we've installed is capable of up to 2,000.
If you had to summarise our collaboration in just 3 words, what would they be?
Quiet, efficient, and marvellous.
Thank you.
You're welcome.